Hey, if you wonder how to charge your JBL Xtreme 4 by using your smartphone, let me quickly check this. So first of all, you will have to actually get the USB-C into the USB-A adapter and plug it into the port on your smartphone. And then you have to plug here the USB-A and now take a look. Currently the indicator, it's not activated, but when we actually plug this cable into the USB-C port, we can actually find that indicator starts blinking, which means that we are actually recharging the speaker by using our phone. And it is actually not charging the phone because our indicator is not, we don't have this charging indicator on the phone. We're just charging speaker by using our phone. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.